He is my joy, my righteousness and freedom, my steadfast love, my deep and boundless peace. He is my hope, my hope is only Jesus, for my life is only bound to Thee. Oh, strange and divine, I can say all is mine, yet not I, but You, Christ, in me. Forsaken, for my soul, the Savior He was slain. I labor in weakness and rejoicing, for in my need His power is displayed. Jesus, I hope, my shepherd will defend me. Deepest valley He will lead. Oh, the night has been won, and I shall overcome, yet not I, but through Christ in me.